Hey y'all, welcome to Friday's Kitchen. Welcome back if you have been here before. In today's video, we are making a raspberry lemon cream cheese pound cake. If you guys are interested in seeing how I made it, stay tuned. Also, while you're here, I ask that you please take a moment, look down below, press that subscribe button, join our family, and come back for some more recipes. So we are going to start by making the raspberry sauce. I'm doing this a little differently for raspberry because, as you know, it has so many of the little seeds inside. So I'm going to start by pureeing the raspberries first. Then I'm going to strain them to remove a majority of the seeds. And then we'll be back to add the pureed raspberries along with the water, the sugar, and everything else that'll go in that mixture. So I'm going to start by pureeing this right quick, straining it, and then we'll be right back. I almost forgot to add the water. So in with the raspberries, I do have 1 cup of water. All right, so I'm just popping in to show you guys what it looks like after I have strained the raspberries. So I am this is the puree that I got mixed with the water. So I'm gonna pour this back into my container. So now I'm gonna go in with the cornstarch and the sugar, and then I'm gonna put that back on to blend everything together, and then we'll put this on in a pot on the stove. The full recipe to include all measurements will be in the description box below. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and blend this together, and then I'll be back once we put it on the stove. Here we have our sauce in a pot on the stove. I am going to cook this at a medium-low heat until the mixture starts to thicken, and I'll just occasionally stir it. But I'll bring you guys back so you can see what it's looking like throughout the process. Here you can see the sauce starting to thicken. I'm gonna let it cook a little bit longer. It's been about 5 minutes now. I'm gonna let it cook a little bit longer to thicken up just a little bit more. Then I'm gonna remove it from the heat, add the vanilla extract, and then set it aside to cool. So again, the full recipe will be in the description box below, but here we have our flour, baking powder, salt mixture. Doesn't look like it, but everything has been sifted together. Granulated sugar, our eggs, vanilla extract, unsalted butter, cream cheese, and 2 lemons that we will be zesting. We're gonna go ahead and get started on the cake batter. Again, full recipe is down below in the description box. We're gonna start by mixing together the cream cheese and the butter, and then we're gonna go in with the granulated sugar. Once I add the sugar, I'm gonna let the mixer run for about 10 minutes until it becomes nice and fluffy or lightens in color. Now I'm gonna go in with the eggs one at a time. Once I add an egg, I like to wait for the yolk to break before adding the next. Once we have that well combined, I'm gonna go in with the vanilla extract, and then I'm gonna turn the mixer off to scrape down the sides and bottom of the bowl before we go in with our flour mixture. So now I'm gonna go in gradually with the flour mixture. Once I have that well combined, I will finish by adding the lemon zest. So here we have the pan we're going to use to bake the cake. I'm going to start by generously spraying with pan baking spray. Now I'm going to go in with about 2/3 of the cake batter. Here we have the raspberry sauce. I'm going to place some dollops on top and then swirl it in with a skewer. I'm going to go in with the rest of the cake batter. Now I'm going to go in with a little more of the raspberry sauce. Our oven has been preheated to 300 degrees, and this will bake for about an hour and a half. If I need to adjust that time at all, I will. But as always, I'll let you guys know exactly how long it takes in my oven when I remove it. So I will see you guys in the next clip. Here's the cake after 1 hour, 30 minutes in the oven. I'm gonna let it hang out in the pan for about 10 minutes and then I will turn it out onto a cake board. So I wasn't recording when I removed the cake from the pan, but here it is. Came out with no issues. So we're gonna set this aside to cool. In the meantime, we're gonna go ahead and get started on our cream cheese icing. Now we're gonna get started on the cream cheese icing. In the bowl, I have the cream cheese, butter, vanilla extract, and lemon juice. I'm gonna turn this on, mix until well combined, and then I'm gonna go in with the powdered sugar. All right, y'all, so I'm gonna scrape down the sides and bottom of the bowl, turn the mixer back on for another minute, and the icing will be done. Then I will just take the icing, place it in a piping bag until we're ready to use it. So now we're gonna get started on a vanilla glaze. Here I have 1 cup of powdered sugar. To this, I'm gonna add a splash of vanilla extract and enough heavy cream to reach my desired consistency. I'm going to start with a little and gradually add more. So this is the consistency I want. I'm gonna continue to mix off camera to work out the lumps, but once I'm done with that, we'll be back to finish the cake. Now we're back for the fun part. The cake is completely cooled and we have all our individual elements ready. So I'm going to start by adding some of the vanilla glaze to the cake. You know what, I'm gonna add a little more heavy cream to this. I want it to be just a little thinner. I'll be right back. All right, so this should drizzle on a little easier. Yeah. All right, so on top of this, we're gonna go in with some of the raspberry glaze. So we have our vanilla glaze, our raspberry sauce. Now I'm going to go through and pipe some rosettes on top. So here I have some Dewey's Bakery Meyer Lemon Thin Cookies. I'm just going to go through and place one of these cookies in between each of the rosettes. If you guys have never tried these cookies, they are so good. Really thin and crisp, so good. And our final step is going to be to place one of these fresh raspberries on top of each of the dollops of icing. All right, so let me go clean up my mess really quickly, and then I'll bring you guys back for a closer shot, and then we're gonna cut the cake so you can see what the inside looks like. We have made it to the end of the video. Here we have the finished product, our raspberry lemon cream cheese pound cake. I hope you guys have enjoyed today's video. If you have any questions about anything I have done, leave them down below in the comment section. I really enjoyed this cake. Lemon raspberry is a great combination, so I would highly recommend you guys give this recipe a try. While you're here, I ask that you please take a moment, look down below, press that subscribe button, join our family, come back for some more recipes. If you enjoyed today's video, please don't forget to give it a huge thumbs up before you leave. As always, I thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.